In this video, I want to share with you a new Skool community that I just created for creating Adobe stock images. Hello everyone, my name is Mike, full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and Etsy. If you like this kind of content, getting any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you my new Skool community, just want to do a quick sales update for Adobe stock since this is an Adobe stock video. So here we are on my Adobe stock dashboard. I'm just going to move my face out the way here so we can see the whole graph. Actually, we can't see the numbers here, so I'll just go like that. But things have actually been going pretty well for me on Adobe stock. I started October 13. I made a video about this, last week about having my best week last week or ever, which was on December 15th. But now this week has actually made a new record for me. You can see I have, 12 downloads and $12. So 12 downloads and $12 in royalties. So that's really cool to see. You can see there's a clear uptrend here. So things are starting to pick up. Now, this is what I've done since I've started: 60 downloads and $38 in earnings. But for the month, it's going to be 37 downloads and $21 in royalties or earnings. So that's where I'm at for my Adobe stock. Been having a lot of fun like this. If you watch the video that I made about this, I just talked about how Adobe stock is so stress-free, drama-free when I compare it to merch on demand. You don't have to apply. There's no tiers. There's no getting worried about getting your account terminated for rejections. The only kind of con with it is that you don't make $5 an image like you would do with merch on demand if you have a t-shirt selling for $19.99. What I've learned here is basically 33 cents or $1, depending on what program the customer has with Adobe stock, like what membership they purchased with Adobe stock. But yeah, so that's where I'm at. Now let me go ahead and show you my new Skool community. So this is it right here. I named it Stock Image AI Prompt Lab, and I just launched it yesterday and put it out to my other Skool community for POD. So I already got 8 members and it is free. So if you want, you can join. Now there will be a paid tier. I'm just trying to get it going right now. So it's a free community. You get access to me. You can have obviously access to the community. I will be adding some more educational content. Right now I just have the one video kind of showing my process on how I do my research, how I design and upload and things like that. And what you get every day is you get one prompt. So here's an example. I have 2 here just because it was the launch day, but every day it's just going to be one prompt like this. And so you get the prompt right here, and I also tell you the niche and how many results there are. I like to do right around, I said 2,000 in my last video, but really it's, under 1,000. Sometimes I'll go up to 2,000 results, just depending on the niche and if I really like the design. But anything over 2,000, I'm not really interested in. It needs to be under 1,000. I think that's really the sweet spot. Kind of like the same for merch on demand. But here you're going to see, so the niche, the amount of results, the actual prompt, and then here are the type of designs that I'm selling on Adobe stock. So stuff like this. And you can upload those onto Adobe stock and any other, stock royalty website. There's several of them, but to be honest, from my research, Adobe stock is by far the best. I think there's Shutterstock, but that one doesn't even allow AI images yet. So maybe sometimes in the future. So I just wanted to share this with you, just a quick little video. So if you want, I'll put a link in the description and in the pinned comment. Again, it is free for now. You'll get one image every day. And then I'm probably going to add a paid tier where you'll get I don't know how many, 3 or 4 images like this every day for, I don't know, 10, 20, $30. I haven't really decided on the price yet. All right, so let me know what you guys think. We'd love to have you in the group. If you do decide to join, make sure to introduce yourself. Do something like what Joy did here, saying hello, everyone, letting them know where they're at on their journey. It doesn't matter if you haven't even opened an account yet, or maybe you have, and you're just starting your process, or you've been uploading, or maybe you're experienced and you just want some more prompts. I would love to have you. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.